Recover ChatGPT password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can recover your ChatGPT password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to go ahead and then basically recover your ChatGPT password, open up the ChatGPT application here and then you will see this type of interface. Tap on login. Now enter the email address as you normally would, then tap on continue. Then we don't remember the password, so to recover it, tap on forgot password. Then it will ask us to send a reset link, so we will tap on continue. Then ChatGPT will send us a reset link, so open your mail and then you will see a reset link like this from OpenAI. Now when you tap on the reset password button after you receive the email, it will take you to the page where you can choose new password without having to remember your old password. Then this way you can recover ChatGPT password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.